welcome back to another video. We have got some gel polishes to swatch today, and Umikk very kindly sent these for me to have a little play with. So on the box we have got some information saying that they are from natural resin. They can strengthen your nail, they are UV LED cured, and they can last up to 21 days with the correct prep. Ingredients and storage is on the other side, and they have a shelf life of 24 months, which is brilliant. I have quite a few gel polishes and a lot of them are only like 12-month shelf life. So in your box they are packaged really well, so there's no chance of them moving around, with that on top as well. You get a little user manual. It's got loads of languages in here. So the first sort of 5 or 6 pages are all English. It's telling you how to prep and then what to do with the gel polish, and there's also for the cat eye gel polishes that they've got some helpful hints and tips there, and then there's loads of other languages as well. On the back as well, it's also got their social media. Okay, let's have a looky. I've not opened these yet, so this is the first time I'm seeing them at the same time as you. Okay, I did have the choice of a lot of gel polishes, like a lot of different colours, but this is the pack that I chose because I thought they would serve summer and like autumn winter colours as well. So let's have a look. Right, I'll tell you now, right, they feel quite like posh in your hand. They're not like, they don't feel cheap. So they are 7.5 ml. This one is U494. Oh, that's a nice royal blue. That's pretty. I like that one. I'm not going to do the lids up because I'm going to obviously swatch them in a minute. U495. Oh, that's nice as well. That's like a cornflower blue. U496. Oh, I like that. It's like a sage green. It's pretty. U497. That's another nice one as well. These are going to make great autumn colours. U498. Ooh, that's like a almost sort of like part way between a jelly yellow. I like that. U499. That's a nice orange as well. That'd be great for pumpkins. Shall we give them a swatch?
Don't Let's be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you got as hell. I get ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you got as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. A little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. A little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Making time, not taking it to clear my doubts. Cleared out all the clutter. I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better.
Okie dokie, I have top coated off camera. So this one is, let's see if I can get that a little bit brighter. That's better. Okay, I've done half matte, half shiny, so you can see them with two different top coats. They are one coat opaque, so the only one I've put two coats on is the yellow, because I want it to be a little bit more of a deeper colour, but it is a it's like a jelly colour, but I really like that blue. And then that one, really pretty. Like I say, these will be great for not only just winter sets, you know, you've got your blues, autumn, your greens and your yellow, and then through to summer, where you could use your blue, your green and these two. So that is that one, another really nice colour. I'm glad I chose this set. I've been watching all of Aggie's videos, her swatch videos and that, and they always looked really nice. If I put that one next to that one, it does look very similar on camera, but it's not actually in real life. It's a slightly different green. It's got more of a yellow tone to it, whereas this one's got more of a green tone. So difficult to show you on camera though. And then that is the jelly colour, but like I say, can you only just see my glove through it? And that's two coats. Really nice, I like that. And then the last one, this is going to be great for pumpkins, so you know what I'll be using it with. So that is all of them. These ones are $7.99 a set. I don't think you can go wrong, can you really? I mean, if it was me looking at the price and I'd have gone on there and not seen the videos that I've seen, I would think, crikey, they're cheap. Why are they so cheap? But I can tell you now, I'm going to go buy more. I definitely want a black and white, and there is loads of like, I've pulled up my Amazon quickly, so this is the one. Let's bring you back out a sec. This is the one that I went for. So you can see how many sets they've got of the 6 bottle set. There's quite a few, but I will leave a link to this set that I've got, and I will leave some photos at the end as well. Take some pics. So hopefully you can see them. But no, I'm really impressed with them. One coat, done. Which is super duper. I love that. I do. I'm going to take some photos anyway and leave at the end so you can have a nosy. I'll leave a link to this set, but obviously if you click on the visit Umikk store, which I can do now quickly. Let's just push those aside for a second. There is loads. So they come in different packs. You can get them in the smaller pack, 6-piece. You can get them in a 21-piece pack. And it looks like you get, I didn't want to do that. Looks like you get your top coat and base and that in there as well, and a matte top coat, which looks like a bigger bottle to me. Yeah, they're 10ml bottles, the bigger ones. And then there is separate packs for, I keep touching the screen, I do apologise. There's separate packs for matte top and base, which is good. And then there's these ones, which look like another 21-piece set with your extra 3 base, matte and top. See what I mean? They've got loads to choose from. And then another 6-piece. So what I might actually do is I might leave both links to the store and to that set that I've got, which will make life a lot easier for you guys. I just want to say a huge thank you to Aggie, you know what for, and I want to say thank you to Umikk for sending these. I am going to be using them in sets for definite. And I'm going to go and take some photos now. I am. Right, I will leave links down below for you anyway. And thank you for watching. Please do give my video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. Oh, I hate fingerprints. You can see me doing this every time. Excuse me. That's better. Oh, terrible. Right, I'm going to leave you in peace, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.